Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. Today we're going to be thrifting winter 2021 trends. Just go to amazon.com/Lainey. It renews automatically, but you can cancel it anytime. Quick run through of the winter trends I'm predicting and seeing. I'm gonna have a full video soon of me talking through each trend that I'm predicting and seeing for winter 2021/2022, and also I'm gonna have a video coming up of me styling all the trends that I'm seeing, because You guys seem to really like those, and I really like filming all of those. But for now, we'll do a quick run through. This is a sneak peek of what's been going on my notes app and in my brain. So for things I wanted to thrift, I have winter 2021-2022 trends. I said chunky scarves / chunky knits / the balaclava. I have bomber jackets and then in quotes extreme puff, which I'll talk about in my later video. I wrote layered to death, but that means something in my head that I'll talk about later. And then I wrote like cloud coats and quilted coats. I wrote polka dots, plaid, clogs, and then I wrote green, parentheses, duh. I'm obsessed with green and have been my whole life. And then I also wrote cobalt blue. So with that, let's get into my little haul. And it's little, but I have some treats for you at the end. First thing I picked up from yesterday's thrift, and this falls in like my plaid category, and I haven't washed yet because I wanted to keep the tags on. This was $2.99, and it's this little plaid vest. I talked about vests in my fall trend predictions and like just fall trends, but I can see the vest falling over into the winter months for me. I think it's a really fun layering piece, putting it on top of clothes and also just like having it under a bigger jacket and then this underneath. It's just like fun. The buttons, the plaid. I really, really liked this, and for $3, you can't beat it. This first place I went to though, it was a little more expensive, and then you guys are gonna think I'm gross, but in the summertime, I love plaid shorts, and I'm thinking of being able to wear them in the winter with like tights and knee-high boots. I think I could get away with it. These are men's boxers, and they're 99 cents. They look brand new. You wash them once, you're fine. I get over it. These aren't washed yet though, so I'm not over it yet. And then this was just something I found when I was looking in the chunky sweaters. I wasn't having a lot of luck. I think, like, this is my all-time favorite chunky sweater, and you guys always ask about it. It's the brand Izod, which is like men's like polos and kind of like little boy uniforms, but the men's section always just has really high quality timeless knits, and then the women's section, it's all this like fast fashion one season trended kind of things. So I suggest looking in the men's section, but I always look in the women's because sometimes I can find things. And this is something that I think will just be a little bit more summer appropriate, but maybe I can work it into the winter time. I'm not sure. Is that a stain on it? No, it's good. My eyes are just, I have so many studio lights on me right now because it's 6 p.m. and it's pitch black out, so like my vision is not okay. So if it looks like I'm looking like anywhere but the camera, it's because you have a giant light behind you and I can't see. This little t-shirt knit was too freaking cute. It looks like something that would be like expensive, and it was $5, $4.99 to be exact, so I had to get it. And that was all I got from the first place. And then the second place I went to, this jacket, I found one of the like quilted puffer jackets, and I more so like these because they're pretty thin for like layering under just other jackets. I thought this was really cute. We're gonna see what it looks like on. I'm loving things with a collar and buttons right now, and I thought this was so nice, and guess how much it was? $3.09. This place is so much cheaper than the first one I went to. The first one I went to is the Salvation Army, and this was Volunteers of America. So good. I love, love, love that. And then I got two vests. So this first sweater vest was actually in the little boys section. It's the sweater vest, but it's got buttons on it instead, and I think that this is gonna be so freaking adorable with just like a white graphic tee underneath, or just like a plain white t-shirt underneath. It's super thick, feels really nice quality, and it was $2.59. So again, I just couldn't say no to it. I really, really, really like that. And then kind of similar, because I'm just liking like layering and having fun with those kind of things, I got another sweater vest, but again this one is like a zipper front and it's a lower V, so whatever you wear under it you're gonna see a lot more, opposed to a sweater vest with like a higher cut neck. And you can also wear this like unzipped. Obviously this was in the women's section. It's $4.59. Can you believe that this was the most expensive thing I bought out of like the second haul? That's just crazy to me. Love, love, love this though. Again, I think just with like jeans and a white t-shirt underneath, or like nothing underneath, and then like a bigger coat on top, will be such a fun look, and it's very vintage-y. I felt like I kind of flopped at the thrift stores, and I show a lot more obviously when I was like thrift with me, but I've just been a lot more conscious of not buying things for the haul, the purpose of the haul. I feel like I did you guys dirty though. So I found a bunch of stuff on eBay under each one of these categories I said, and it's all in the description box. I know I talk about the description box and the links a lot, and sometimes I don't do it, but I have been forcing myself to make the links before I film the video, because if I do it after, I just won't do it. By the time I film the video, I'm so ready to edit, and then I forget about the links because, I don't know, I just forget. So the links are already made, and if I'm not forgetting, they're already made and they're in the description box. Just go click the description box. I found stuff under every category, super affordable, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you to Amazon Music for sponsoring this video. Remember to go to amazon.com/Lainey for 3 months of Amazon Music Unlimited for free. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for the upcoming trend videos, and I'll talk to you guys about which trends I'll be playing a part of and which ones I will leave behind. But that's it. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Bye.